Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you all about invisible technologies. Okay, this website is legit. I've had friends that they have applied on this website and got a job, but it's a little bit tricky to land this job actually. Okay, but let me just show you what you need to have, what you need to expect, and what you need to do. So let's start from here. Just go to your browser, search invisible technologies, and then you're gonna find the first website that is popping up. You can see it saying it's invisible.co. Okay, click on that, and then let me just show you how you can actually, what you'll do, just click on careers at invisible, and then let me just tell you what this company do. So most of their jobs they tend to aim for those bigger, let's say a bigger job role. Okay, I'll just show you the kind of jobs that they are offering, and as you can see, their aim is most of these websites, their aim is to train like AI, because AI is the main thing as we speak. So most of these companies tend to train AI on many things. So first of all, in this website, you'll need to have a proxy, but they're not majorly depending on the US or like hiring on the US only, but they are also hiring in South Africa, and sometime back they were hiring from Kenya, but I don't know what happened. They stopped hiring from this region, and they are hiring in some parts. They're hiring in the UK, they're hiring in the US, and I think so some parts in the world. Yeah. So if you have a proxy for UK, you can actually get a chance, and if you have a US proxy, you can get a chance to get this job, and some other parts in Brazil. So yeah, if you're from those places, you can get a chance. But you know, if you're from Africa, I think so only in South Africa. I don't think so any other place, I'm not sure, but yeah, in South Africa I'm sure. But if you're from those other countries in Africa, don't worry. What you need to have is just have a proxy. Once you have a proxy, you are good to go. You can apply on these jobs, try your best, and then yeah. Another thing, you'll need to have a DL. If you're applying from those countries, you need to have a DL for that country, so that whenever they will ask for the documents, make sure you have it. If it's the utility bill, make sure you have it, and if it's the bank account, you need to have it. And make sure if you have applied from the US, you need to have a bank account for US. And to get that, you can actually sign up on Gray account and create an account. Then you'll apply for receiving accounts. Receiving accounts, they'll give you a US account. Those are virtual accounts. A US account, a UK account, and I think so a Euro account. And then another thing is that you'll need to have a strong proxy. Be prepared for an assessment. The assessment is not that easy, but be prepared for an assessment. And then make sure, okay, first of all, before they pick you, it's a hard thing. So you need to create your CV very well. Okay, you need to create your CV quite good, so that you will stand up, because many people are applying on this website. So you need to stand out, create a good CV, and then after that, once you're being picked, make sure you don't mess up on the assessment part. You can use ChatGPT, very easy, but I've experienced this one. I've applied before and I got accepted. So the process is like this. Once you get approved and they send you an email, they will take you a process through where you'll book for the assessment and then take the assessment. And then on this party, if you want to succeed, you need to have at least 2 PCs or 2 screens, so that the one screen you just use it for the ChatGPT and the other screen you use it for doing the assessment. And remember, when you're doing the assessment, the camera should be turned on. The laptop camera, it will be turned on so that it will record you doing the assessment. So it's a bit tricky, but make sure to be smart so that you pass those assessments and then go to the next part. Now you can see here is the jobs. You can see there's a job from manager of data infrastructure. They are hiring from North America. This one they're hiring from worldwide. This one is hiring on the US. This one on the US. This one specifically on San Francisco. This one New York. And remember, they haven't put to be remote, so which means this one is in person. Don't bother to apply this one if you're not from the US, or if you're not from this state. Don't bother to apply. You just go and look for the ones that, like this one, it says New York remote. You can apply for this one, product marketing manager. Okay, there's a staff SRE engineer. So they offer quite big jobs. Okay, and you can come on this part and click on departments, and if it's for marketing, you can see there it's only one job available. Analytics, only one job available. Client service is only one job available. So all in all, they are offering only these jobs. These are the only available jobs. This one, you can apply on this one. So let's say you want to apply for like this job. You just click on it, click on the job. As you can see, here's all about the job, everything you need to know about the job. So let me give you a tip. Whenever you're going to apply for this job, or whenever you're trying to create a CV, what you'll do, you'll copy this. You see what you're going to check for what they need. So you see what we need: 8 years experience of 8 years of experience in data architecture, 4 years plus years of leadership experience. So you need to include this on your CV. Make sure to include this. Okay, make sure to include this as I think so skills. You make sure to include this. Tell ChatGPT to include this, and then create that CV. You'll stand a chance of getting this job. Make sure to include this. They'll need this mostly if they're going to look for the job. For the applicants, they'll majorly look about these skills. Only these skills they'll heavily look on it. If you have them, you're good to go. You'll be approved. So here's everything about the job. You're going to read everything and see. And for the compensation, let me see if they have stated. I don't think so, but they always state the pay. But once you go to here's the application form. You're just going to put the first name, last name, the email, and the phone number, and then you attach a CV. A cover letter is not a must. You're going to put a LinkedIn profile, and then you're going to fill out this one. You're just going to fill out each field that has this red star. That means it's required. You must fill it. Okay, and then after that, you just click on submit application, and then wait for their response. That's how you browse jobs in Invisible and try your luck, apply on these jobs. Just you need to have the proxy need to have the US details if you're applying for the US. And then and if you are in need of any help, you can actually reach out through my WhatsApp. The link is on the description, and you can ask any question, or if you need our service, you can reach me out on WhatsApp. See you next time.